Every masterpiece begins deep beneath the earth. Raw potential is unearthed with precision. Each load carries the promise of perfection. The journey to craftsmanship begins. From nature's bounty to human ingenuity.
Every gram is accounted for with care.
Weight and value measured before transformation.
The first steps toward brilliance unfold. Every piece is prepared for perfection.
Breaking boundaries to reveal true value.
Only what matters moves forward. Purity begins with cleansing. Precision ensures only the finest proceed. Preparation is the first step to mastery.
Every movement choreographed for efficiency.
The journey continues seamlessly. Every journey leads toward perfection. From raw earth to refined craft, the story begins. Every masterpiece travels a path paved with care. Precision guides every mile of the journey. From nature's raw beauty to crafted brilliance.
Every turn carefully navigated.
Arrival is as important as departure.
Every shipment secured with utmost diligence.
Access granted to the heart of craftsmanship. The journey nears its transformation point. Precision orchestrates every step. The raw journey enters the world of refinement.
Movement is seamless, choreographed with care.
Every detail orchestrates perfection.
Every element verified before transformation. Human precision complements technology. Every movement preps for transformation. The next stage begins without interruption. Flow is continuous, meticulous, and precise. From earth to facility, the path of perfection continues. The gateway to craftsmanship stands vigilant. Every arrival is meticulously verified. Precision and order define every movement.
Pillar. Human diligence ensures flawless execution.
The heart of creation awaits beyond these walls. Access controlled, flow uninterrupted.
Every moment is under watchful eyes.
The journey flows seamlessly into production. Order and precision govern every step. Elevation marks the approach to refinement. Every corridor channels the flow of excellence. Verification ensures every piece is accounted for.
The flow of creation enters the core of the facility.
Every checkpoint preserves integrity and security. Flow is continuous, guided with precision.
Eyes everywhere ensure flawless operation.
From exterior to heart, every step is deliberate. The golden journey passes through its gates, ready for transformation.
Every journey toward perfection begins with preparation.
Human eyes ensure nothing is overlooked. Precision machines refine what humans start. Purity begins with cleansing. Only what matters moves forward. Consistency is the foundation of excellence.
Every piece must meet the standard of perfection.
Clean air preserves both product and process. All streams converge for the next stage of transformation. Small details define the final masterpiece. Technology and human oversight work hand in hand. Every gram is accounted for before refinement. Flow remains uninterrupted, precise, and efficient. Light reveals the value hidden within.
Every ounce has passed its first test.
Cleaned, sorted, and ready to prune. The transformation begins.
Every hand ensures the journey continues flawlessly.
From raw to refined, the path of perfection moves forward. The heart of transformation welcomes its golden cargo. Heat and precision awaken hidden value. Fire reveals the brilliance within raw ore.
Every pore shapes the foundation of excellence.
Patience and precision solidify perfection.
Every detail is scrutinized to uphold quality.
Craftsmanship begins with meticulous shaping. Preparation ensures every surface gleams. Brilliance is revealed with steady refinement.
Human vigilance preserves flawless output.
Every cut shapes the future masterpiece. Technology carves perfection from pure gold.
Precision is verified before transformation continues.
Every motion follows a path of exacting precision. From raw ore to shaped brilliance, the heart of creation beats steadily. Every line etched with perfection and care. Details define the luxury of craftsmanship.
Every part finds its place in harmony.
Tiny movements power the grandeur within.
Precision governs every coil and gear.
Every movement finds its golden home.
Shine and luster are revealed with care. Every crown is fitted for enduring perfection.
Endurance is tested, quality assured. The journey of transformation nears perfection.
Every detail scrutinized for flawless luxury.
Luxury emerges from meticulous transformation.
From raw gold to refined watches, transformation reaches its peak.
Precision flows seamlessly through high-tech systems.
Machines augment human dexterity with flawless repetition.
Every mark is exact, every detail assured.
Technology refines brilliance to perfection.
Every function verified, every flaw detected. Flow adapts dynamically, precision guiding every path.
Automation enhances perfection, never compromising quality.
Every angle is scrutinized in an instant. Protection and precision ensure safe passage.
Technology and human care coexist seamlessly.
Every identity marked with flawless accuracy.
Protection and presentation are automated with care.
Automation choreographs order with precision. Every package finds its designated home. Automation ensures flawless order before human hands conclude the process. Technology orchestrates precision on a grand scale. Human oversight safeguards automated perfection.
Every movement is calculated for flawless results.
Precision flows continuously, every step perfectly timed.
Automation bridges human skill and technological mastery.
From automated perfection, human hands complete the journey.